Hello, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Emmenheiser, Superintendent of Covina-Valley Unified School District. We've had another remarkable year, and I couldn't be more proud of our students, staff, and families. Our students continue to thrive academically, creatively, and personally, thanks to the dedication of our entire school community. Together, we are shaping a future filled with unlimited potential. This past month, friends, families, and community members gathered to celebrate the class of 2025. We are incredibly proud of our graduates from South Hills, Covina, Northview, and Fair Valley High Schools, as well as our Tri-Community Adult Education graduates. They are ready and well prepared to attend prestigious universities, pursue advanced training, or launch successful careers. Our graduates leave us equipped with the knowledge, skills, and determination to thrive in whatever pathway they choose. In June, we also celebrated our 8th grade students as they prepare to transition to high school, marking another milestone in their educational journey. Today, I'm at South Hills High School, where our middle school students are participating in a brand new summer career technical education camp. This exciting pilot program gives incoming 7th and 8th graders a hands-on introduction to career technical education through courses in business enterprise, aviation, and theater production. It's a great entry to the more than 23 CTE programs we offer to high school students across the district, helping them explore interests and build skills for the future. Hi, Coleman. Which CTE program are you exploring this week?
Hi, Dr. Emmenheiser. This week we are in the Business Enterprise program. I'm learning about running my own business, working with other team members to create a business plan.
Wow, what do you like best about that?
Our first project is designing logos for a business on a computer. My business is called Indie Industries. We're designing a nap pod to improve your sleep. It is exciting to think about the high school programs and what I can get involved in.
Wow, that's great. It sounds like a lot of fun. Thank you for sharing with me today.
Thank you.
While students enjoy summer break, our dedicated maintenance, operations, facilities, and transportation teams will be hard at work completing campus upgrades in time for the new school year. These projects include preventative maintenance, annual tree trimming, fire alarm testing, roofing repairs, and painting district-wide. We will also begin modernization and facilities upgrades, including new lighting at South Hills High School's baseball and softball fields, new shade structures at Manzanita Elementary, and finish the marquee replacements at the district field, our 3 comprehensive high schools, and Las Palmas Middle School. This summer, we will break ground on Covina High School's new softball and athletic complex, which will feature new fields, a snack bar, and restrooms. There's a great deal happening behind the scenes as we plan and prepare for the 25-26 school year. Our dedicated teachers, classified staff, and administrators are participating in professional development to strengthen their skills and continue delivering exceptional support to our students. Our leadership team is also working collaboratively to grow together and to ensure we are ready to lead with purpose, vision, and care. We're excited about the year ahead and committed to making it the best one yet for every student in Covina-Valley. Here are a few important reminders. Returning student registration opens on Thursday, July 31st, and registration for new students is already open. We're counting down the days to the start of the 25-26 school year, which begins on August 18th. Until then, I wish you all a safe, restful, and well-deserved summer vacation. Thank you for watching. To stay up to date on what's happening in our district, please visit our website and follow us on social media. Until next time,